Hey guys, Callum and Jordan here from Max TV, and today we're doing a bike check on our new YT Tues CF Pros.
So I've got the large carbon frame in red with the rental fat bar carbon 800mm wide. I've got the SRAM Guide RSC front and rear brake with the SRAM XO1 7-speed shifter.
And I have the extra large carbon black frame. On the front suspension it is Fox 40 Performance Elite with 203mm of travel air sprung, and on the rear it is Fox Float X2 Performance Elite 208 air sprung with an SDG seat post and a YT saddle.
So I've got the Nuke Proof Horizon clipless pedal with the E13 LG1 Plus cranks. I've also got the 34 tooth front chainring with the E13 chain guide.
So moving on to the back of the bike, we have the SRAM XO1 7-speed rear derailleur and the 7-speed E13 cassette with E13 LG1 hubs. And moving on to the other side, we have the SRAM centerline disc, 203 on the front and 200mm in the rear.
So I've got the 27.5 inch E13 LG1 alloy rims with the Aaron Gwyn Signature Series Onzo Aquila 650B tyres. So overall this bike's just a great bike. It's probably the quietest bike I've ever seen. It's just great on all the shoots, all the rock gardens and everything, over the jumps and everything.
And for me mainly I was riding enduro, and coming to this it is a lot different, a lot better, a lot more travel, and it's a lot better. I definitely recommend it if you're looking to buy one. So thanks for watching guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.